I have a free gift for you, and it's really free. Like, there's no shady stuff. I mean, kind of. No shady stuff, all right? It's Christmas. When you're going to see this video, it's going to be Christmas. Hopefully, if you see it in the future, no worries. I have another option for you. But last year for Christmas, I actually gave coaching calls for not for free, but for 50% off. All right? Because if you do not know, I help people with their Amazon FBA business. I'm myself selling on Amazon. This month I done more than $100,000. And so I want to give you another gift, just like next year, but it's going to be even better. All right? If you want my help to scale your Amazon business, if you want me to build you a plan to scale your business, if you want to up on a 30-minute call with me, and it's in between 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, I'm going to do it for free. I'm not going to charge you money, okay, for Christmas. And this is only available on Christmas Day. So you need to send me an email if you want this. You need to send me an email, and my email address is chris@gunza.com. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to show it to you. This is my email. It's showing right now, okay? If you want to get a coaching, I'll do a coaching for you for Christmas without taking any money. However, there's one thing that I'd like you to do, and if you want the coaching, you need to send this to me by email. All right? You guys know I'm originally from Congo, okay? And there's a lot of bad things going on in Congo right now. And I thought that I could make a difference this Christmas by doing this, okay? I want you to go to this website, okay? It's hcdrcongo.org. I'll put the link in the description, okay? I want you to donate money. Donate whatever you want, okay? Even if you want to donate $1, it's fine. However, please give something meaningful, all right? Give something meaningful. Give what you can and send it to me by email. Send me the screenshot of the payment confirmation by email, okay? Send this to me to my email, and my team will send you a link to schedule a call, a 30-minute call with me, where we are going to look inside your Amazon FBA business, and I will help you scale your business, okay? Send it to this email address that you can see right here, okay? And this is my Christmas gift to you and just to these kids, okay? If you do not know, there's a war in Congo, okay? The situation is really, really bad for a lot of people. Just look it up, okay? I don't want to talk about it right there on YouTube. It's really, really bad. Nobody talks about it. Nobody knows what's going on, okay? So I'm not going to take any money. Like, I don't have an offer, all that stuff for you. However, I'll help you jump on a call, okay? Donate whatever you want right there. If you want to donate more, like, my calls are usually $400, okay? $400 for a 30-minute call. As I said, if you want to give $1, that's fine. I'll do the call. No worries. But give what you can, and it's the perfect time. If you're not able to afford $40, you know, if you can give 10, 25, whatever, yeah, just do it. Send it to my team. And if you do not even want to up on a call, you want to donate the money, just do it, you know. But like, just donate the money, send a screenshot to me to the email that I showed you, and you get a free, and even for $1, even if you want to do it for $1, you got a free coaching call from me, all right? If you want to look at people that I helped in the past, ton of testimonials on Discord. I'm not even going to show you all this. But yeah, but if you want to, you can literally get a coaching call for $1. So make a difference, okay? Make a difference for the kids and make a difference in your business at the same time. That's my Christmas gift to you. And beyond that, that's my Christmas gift to my country. So yeah, hopefully you'll jump on the offer. I don't want to push this too much. You do what you want. But yeah, that's my Christmas gift. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.